Hello, this video is to answer the most commonly asked question. How do I request a complimentary engraved plate for the award or trophy I purchased on Amazon via Prime shipping from Decade Awards? When doing that, just go to your product page of the item you ordered. You may need to select a size or color. Once that is done, you will then get the Add to Cart and Buy Now section. Just below that, you will see Sold by Decade Awards. Just click this blue link. It will then take you to the Decade Awards seller storefront information. Here about the seller, you can click See More. You will see all our instructions regarding how to request your complimentary plate. Just a reminder that all trophies via Prime coming from Amazon's warehouse is sent directly from Amazon without a plate. So you will need to request your complimentary plate, and that is sent separately from your order. To do that, just follow the instructions where you ask and provide in the instruction window the Amazon order number, your address to mail the plate, and your engraving details. We usually send out a confirmation email within 24 hours. The plate orders are processed within 1 to 2 business days once we have all the above information. Plates are sent via first-class mail in a red standard-sized envelope without tracking numbers. A follow-up email will be sent when it is mailed. Please allow anywhere from 2 to 8 business days for delivery of that engraved plate. You can also contact us on our customer service phone number shown here if you have any questions or need any further help or information. So to fulfill your request and to send your information, just click the Ask a Question button for Decade Awards. That will bring you to the Seller Messaging Assistant. Here, click an item for sale. And then here, it'll show several of our products. Just select any one. And then it'll ask you what do you need help with. Click Other. And then at the bottom here, it'll ask for more information. Just enter contact. Click Send. Now here, it'll have a button to contact the seller. That's where you click. And if you have an ongoing conversation with you, it'll ask to take you to that conversation. If you do not, and this is the first time contacting us, you will see a message box here, just like the previous one, where you can type in your Amazon order number, the lines of engraving information that you would like, and your mailing address. Once we receive that, then we will be able to process and confirm your order. If you already have a conversation, you just click on that, and it brings you to the messaging system. In this messaging system here, you can just simply add in your engraving information, order number, and mail to address, just like shown. If you need more space or can't see it, just click and hold this little button over here on the side, and you can drag it down. That'll help you in making sure that you have everything correct with your Amazon plate request. Your order number, your lines of detail. If you have less, that is okay. Just keep in mind, the more information you put in here, the smaller your text will be on your plate. So keep that in mind when you're trying to add engraving information. Make sure you do give us a mail to addresses. We do not see this on your orders, nor do we see your order number in the messaging systems. So it is important to get that, otherwise it will delay your request. Once you're done, just hit send, and then it will show that in your messaging system. When we respond back to you, you will get an email from Amazon stating that we have responded to you, and you'll be able to see that information. If further information is needed, it'll tell you here, and then you can just answer whatever question that we have or what other additional information is needed, and click send again. If you had a file that you needed to send us with a lot of engraving information or more details or a picture, something like that, a PDF file of your team's information, just click on attach a file, add that file to it, and then hit send. Thank you again for purchasing from Decade Awards, and we look forward to celebrating life's victories with you. Have a great day.